Check this out. On September 5th, Insmed, NASDAQ ticker symbol INSM, had a big day. Clinical trial results came back positive for the company's new drug, Alice, which successfully treated patients with a rare lung disease. It doesn't get much more explosive than this. Sonal's artificial intelligence detected this event while price was still at $12.25. As you can see, the price surged to $29.51 almost immediately. Big market moving events create price action that presents all kinds of trading opportunities for traders at any level. For instance, clinical trials such as this one often get overbought in the pre-market and create great opportunities to play the fade after open. A great strategy is to simply watch for those fades and then buy a put when it kicks in. Clinical trials often have longer-term trends associated with them as investors discover the impact that this news will have on stock price. This long-term trend can be played a number of ways, including a bullish credit spread or even with an aggressive iron condor. If you're wondering how major events like this are found, well, it's not through any of the research or analysis that most retail traders do, which brings us to a reality many traders at all levels simply ignore. Major price movements are caused by major events, period. Without a big event to evaluate the share price against, you're likely just guessing like the rest of the market. And let's face it, much of the research that traders try to do on their own at home, well, that's already factored into the share price. And we all know that of the thousands of announcements, stories, breaking stories, tweets, and tweets about tweets, there are only a few that you'll actually want to consider for a trade, where the price move will be volatile enough for you to have a shot at making money. We're talking mergers, acquisitions, drug trials, and major guidance adjustments when earnings come out. Real stock movers. These are the market-moving events that institutional traders are on the lookout for. This is because these are the moments when real volatility is introduced into the market and price actually moves. If you're an options trader at any level, or a day trader, or simply an investor looking for stocks to watch, you'll want to know about these events too. But you can rest assured that institutional traders aren't scouring headlines or watching the news. Nope, they have artificial intelligence tools doing this work for them. This is exactly why Sonal was originally developed. If you're like most of our subscribers, you don't have time to sift through thousands of stocks or headlines looking for that one you can actually make money on. And you're certainly not glued to your screen or trading platform waiting for something to happen. Sonal will do it for you. The instant an event surfaces, it's simultaneously analyzed and prioritized, resulting in a signal that's generated seconds after. It's not a news feed. You already have one of those or access to plenty of them. Sonal is an automated detection service that finds market-moving events for you. It's institutional grade, having been tested and validated by hedge funds across the country. It's powered by artificial intelligence. And now it's available to you. All you need to do is keep an eye on the tickers and events that it flags and trade as you see fit. And it really doesn't matter what time frame or trading strategy you prefer. You'll find that the signals generate plenty of trading opportunities over the course of the day's session, or in the sessions that follow. Even though Sonal has the capability and the speed to provide signals fast enough to trade the initial pop, the majority of our subscribers avoid the speed game and prefer to play the resulting volatility over the following sessions. In other words, you can take your time to look at the events and tickers that have been flagged and set up your trades for the following session or sessions. Need help figuring out how to do that? Don't worry, we publish these trading strategies for our subscribers and hold a weekly call to discuss recent signals and how they can be traded. So even if you miss a signal, or if you see one but you're not ready to move, we'll be there to support you along the way. Each week, we recap the highlight signals that came through and add them to our newsletter. We also have Knowledge Center articles that provide background on market events and their impact on trading strategies. In the coming weeks, we'll be releasing our major market moving events trading strategies, where you'll be able to see off-the-shelf options trading strategies that you can be armed with when looking at the signals. And the pricing? We've kept that simple. $89 a month flat. Cancel anytime and no hidden fee increases. We're not going to try to sell you a bunch of other stuff. Just $89 a month and all the market moving events you can handle.